Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Zaman Ashraf. I welcome you all in basic organic chemistry. Today, our topic is reactivity of alkenes. I will discuss the orientation of addition of water at carbon-carbon double bond. In my previous lecture, I have discussed the hydration of alkenes, its mechanism and some of the examples of hydration of different alkenes. So let's start with the orientation of hydration. In case of orientation of hydration, suppose we have unsymmetrical alkenes. फर्ज करें हमारे पास CH3, CH3, कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड, CH3. So here we have two different carbons of carbon-carbon double bond. This carbon is more substituted, this carbon is less substituted. In case of addition of HOH, we know first hydrogen is added at this carbon because this is electrophilic addition reaction. So it will gives us CH3, CH2, CH3. The first possibility is when hydrogen it goes to that carbon which contain greater number of hydrogen atom. अगर आप इन दोनों कार्बन्स को जो है वो कंपेयर करें तो यहाँ हाइड्रोजन मौजूद है लेकिन यहाँ जो है वो हाइड्रोजन नहीं है. सो दिस कार्बन कंटेन्स more number of hydrogen while this carbon never possess any hydrogen. So this follows the Markovnikov addition. तो यहाँ आपके पास one type of intermediate जो है वो produce होगा. Similarly, suppose अगर ये जो है वो hydration acid catalyst ये हाइड्रोजन इस कार्बन पे ऐड हो, देन वी हैव CH3 पॉजिटिव, CH एंड CH3 पॉजिटिव यहाँ आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज द सिचुएशन इन विच हाइड्रोजन इट कम्स एट दिस कार्बन, दैट कार्बन विच नेवर पोजेस एनी हाइड्रोजन. दिस इज एंटी मार्कोवनिकॉव एडिशन है ये जो है अगर आप इसको जो है वो देखें. एनी हो, सो इफ वी कंपेयर दीज टू इंटरमीडिएट्स देन दिस कार्बोकेटाइन इट इज सेकेंडरी while this carbocation it is tertiary. We know that tertiary carbocations they are more stable as compared to secondary carbocations, less stable, not formed. So it means the addition of water at unsymmetrical alkene it follows the electrophilic addition mechanism while Markovnikov addition it is followed during the addition of water at carbon-carbon double bond of unsymmetrical alkenes. Then we have our product. So it is 2-methyl 2-hydroxybutane और butane 2-ol butanol. ये जो है वो टर्शरी अल्कोहल आपके पास आपकी जो है वो प्रोडक्ट होगी. सिमिलरली इफ वी हैव सपोज CH3 CH2 अगेन in the presence of H2O and acid catalyst, two different types of carbocations they are possible by the addition of first hydrogen, this one and this one. ठीक है. So this is secondary carbocation, it is primary carbocation. ठीक है. It is more stable, it is less stable, not formed. So our product is CH3 CH OH CH3. So orientation of addition of water at carbon-carbon double bond of unsymmetrical alkene is it follows the Markovnikov addition, mean hydrogen it goes to that carbon which contain already greater number of hydrogen. Hydrogen it goes to that carbon which contain already greater number of hydrogen. ठीक है? So this is the basis for the addition of hydrogen and OH at different carbons. यहाँ अगर आपके पास suppose you have a highly substituted alkene, because remember that सारे वो रिएक्शन जिसमें कार्बोकेटाइंस जो है वो एज इंटरमीडिएट जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होते हैं वहाँ रीअरेंजमेंट के जो है वो चांसेस मौजूद होते हैं. सो इट मीन्स हियर वी हैव कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. By the addition of water, first hydrogen is added, then we have यहाँ CH2 है, we have CH3, C, CH3, CH3. This carbocation is formed. So it is secondary carbocations. So there are chances for the rearrangement of this secondary carbocation into tertiary carbocations. So because this methyl group it is shifted to this carbon. So this is rearrangement of carbocations in which secondary carbocation it is rearranged into tertiary carbocation. ठीक है? So this tertiary carbocation it is more stable. This secondary carbocation it is less stable. So product is formed. यहाँ जो है वो वाटर अटैक करेगा तो आपके पास दिस इज अवर मेजर प्रोडक्ट. सो इट मीन्स कि अगर आप इस कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड को देखें तो यहाँ हमारे पास जो डिफरेंट एडिशन प्रोडक्ट्स पॉसिबल हैं वो ये हो सकती हैं CH3C, CH3, CH3, CH, OH, CH3. हाइड्रोजन यहाँ आएगी और हाइड्रोक्सल यहाँ आ जाएगा. दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी ये है कि CH2 CH2OH बन जाए, माइनर प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है? वहाँ स्टेबिलिटी जो है वो बहुत कम है. बट दिस रीअरेंज प्रोडक्ट अगर ये जो है वो डोमिनेट कर रही है so it means there is some shifting of alkyl groups from one carbon to another carbon, and this is because of the shifting of this secondary carbocation into tertiary carbocation. This is known as carbocation rearrangement. This actually the driving force for this rearrangement is the conversion of less stable carbocation into more stable carbocation. Similarly, if we have CH3, this is methyl cyclohexene acid catalyst, it will gives us OH here और हाइड्रोजन यहाँ जो है वो आ जाएगी. साइक्लोहेक्सानोल आपकी जो है वो प्रोडक्ट होगी. सपोज यू हैव ये आपकी जो है वो प्रोडक्ट है. ठीक है? तो या अगर CH2OH होता है तो वो आपकी जो है वो बिकॉज ऑफ स्मॉलर स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकेटाइन वो कम जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होगी. तो इस तरह ये आप जो है वो कर सकते हैं. सो द ओरिएंटेशन of hydration at carbon-carbon double bond, it will gives us alcohol, and it follows the Markovnikov rule because of the stability of इंटरमीडिएट, और हमने जो है वो सम रीअरेंजमेंट इन कार्बोकेटाइंस वो भी हमने देखा, हाउ rearranged alcohols they are formed during hydration of alkene. So this is all about orientation of hydration of alkene. In my upcoming lecture I will discuss some more reaction of alkenes. Thank you very much.